West 7 Mile siding here in West 7 Mile, Ohio. He's got a big long intermodal train that's just clearing the siding, then he's going to head up westbound to Eaton, Ohio. The second time catching that AC44C6M rebuild. Second time. Note that the interlocking switches are computer controlled by dispatch. So all these signals, they run on electricity, but there's also computer systems at the dispatching center. There's a yard at Queensgate. I think that's where the dispatch location is at, if I'm correct. So he's taking his time just getting out of the siding here. The siding that he's coming out of has a curve. He's not on the straight section. The straight section is for the fast trains. The ones where it curves in is for the trains to pull in and let other trains pass through. Even though the straightaway is kind of fast, the curve section going in and out of the siding is kind of a slow order for trains to kind of slow down through. Tangent can sometimes be a little bit tight. Oh, a Florida East Coast car. Florida East Coast. Got some BNSF coming up this way. DTTX 646. Here comes the end of the train with no caboose. Safe trip to the crew. See you in my next video. Hopefully these gates will go up soon. And there go the gates up. I'll wait till they're completely up before crossing. And that will end my video. Tower 93, over and out.